Please consider subscribing if you enjoy our content and want to see more from us. A low-value woman is also a woman who fell into the trap of consistently selling herself short, creating a domino effect and a cycle of low self-esteem and low self-worth. The low-value woman is not about what a woman looks like. The low-value woman is a woman who has a disempowered mindset that sets her up to make poor decision-making. In order to avoid this type of woman, we've made a list of 10 signs of a low-value woman. Watch the video to the end to understand how to spot her. Number 1. Lack of self-esteem. It all boils down to self-respect. And how can you expect anyone else to appreciate you if you don't respect yourself? Another terrible reality is that when you're dating someone with low self-esteem, it can present itself in some really stunning ways, including being cheated on. Someone with low self-esteem is constantly looking for confirmation or approval. And frequently, when you initially enter a relationship, you're enough. They're like, "Oh my God, you're great." But eventually, the novelty wears off, and you're no longer licking their behind every day. So, what are they up to? Exactly? They move on to find someone else to kiss their low-value booty. Women are always looking for attention and praise, such as by uploading images of their booty on social media. If you have self-respect, odds are you aren't doing it right now. Number 2. She is self-centered. He is unconcerned about the opinions of others. She is uninterested in everything else that is happening in the world. She's solely concerned with herself. If you're dating a self-centered person, you're in for a rough journey. He lacks the mental capacity to properly think about you and consider your feelings. She is primarily concerned about how things will affect her. How does it affect her if something awful happens, and how does it affect her if something good happens? What effect does it have on her? Number 3. She is rude or has bad manners. Whether it's to servers, waitstaff, customer service reps, their mother, or their father. They don't say please, they don't say thank you, and they expect you to wait on them and do things for them because they are the center of the universe. Of course, the reason someone has a low worth, gentlemen, is because they have lousy habits and don't look after themselves. They aren't attempting to develop themselves. Number 4. She is obsessed with her appearance. Unfortunately, many of these ladies will develop some pretty nasty unsightly habits, such as getting fillers and injections injected into their faces. It's so sad to see all of these women these days getting veneers, lip injections, and all kinds of accents, as if they're trying so hard to be beautiful and perfect when the truth is they were already beautiful and perfect, and once you start injecting in jam and Botox and fillers and lashes wands, you're just going down this dark rabbit hole. Are you for or against the plastic surgeries and why? Leave a comment down below. Number 5. She doesn't have vision. She can't give you an answer to the question, what are your plans? What do you hope to achieve? And the answer isn't to marry someone wealthy or to be famous on Instagram. You need to be with someone and find someone who is focused, determined, and career-oriented. Nothing is more enticing, attractive, or valuable than a lady who is goal-oriented, focused, and motivated. Not to mention intelligent, she thinks things through. Now, it does not mean she needs to be a rocket scientist or anything, but she can't be a dummy. Before continuing with the video, we want to remind you to take a look at our other videos. You can find links in the description, or you can check the channel. And don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel for more content. Number 6. Playing self-serving games. We all enjoy playing games. And we may argue that knowing what games others play is a high-value talent in navigating the social arena. Not all games, however, are made equal. There are positive social games that benefit everyone, and there are self-serving games in which one steals value from others with the purpose of never giving it back. These are the games that a low-value lady engages in. Low-level games can be used to indicate social ineptness. She's playing self-serving games to demonstrate that she's not interested in mutually beneficial partnerships. Gold diggers, for example, are notorious for playing self-serving games to deprive him of value or resources. Faking busy when trying to book a date is a common example, and a common blunder, in low-level games. Number 7. Over-attractiveness. How she makes use of her attractiveness reveals a lot about her personality. When you've already worked on your basic attributes, the best use of beauty is to use it as the icing on the cake. For example, you're as good and skilled as you possibly can be. Then you add beauty and femininity to the mix for a little additional oomph. Naturally, jealous individuals would assume you exploited your attractiveness or slept around, but that's fine. The high-value lady understands she can't please everyone. Instead, she uses beauty as a standalone trait that nourishes her now, but leaves her hungry when that beauty fades. Number 8. She doesn't take care of herself. She doesn't care whether she eats junk food, doesn't exercise, or doesn't make an effort to improve. And what are the chances that she will care about anything else if she doesn't care about herself? Maintain the same physical space between you and her that she does between herself and a gym. Number 9. Low-educated. If a woman is low-educated, this is a warning sign to stay away from her. Education is vital, not only for women. She should educate herself in order to become a lady. No debate about it. Number 10. She is a slug. It doesn't mean she's into sleeping in on Saturdays or anything. It means she's lazy in the sense that she doesn't want to work. She doesn't want to go out and look for work. She allows others to look after her because she is attractive. You want to drive a good automobile, carry a Louis Vuitton bag, and buy nice designer clothes. Fine. It's fine to be as materialistic as you want if you're the one making the money and putting it together. However, if you solely rely on the fact that you're very hot, dudes will give you stuff because dudes are stupid and only worry about their job, you'll be disappointed. You're a little smarter than that. And that's why you see a lot of gorgeous women who are definitely sassy and spicy. When it is stated a lot, it means, oh my God, so many beautiful women who are definitely sassy and spicy. They have nothing going for them save the fact that they are attractive. Are they sultry? Yes. Are they valuable? Is there no or a low value? They are, indeed, fiery. Spicy sitting readers, on the other hand, are a dime a dozen, as evidenced by Instagram, YouTube, and all the other places where spicy readers are like, yo, look at me. Take a look at my boobies. Take a look at me doing a TikTok dance. Here's the deal, gentlemen. Gentlemen, you are quite valuable. So why would you waste your time with someone who isn't worth your time? That has a poor monetary value. Because you're wonderful, you deserve better. You're also wonderful, and you're improving and becoming more valued every single day. We've come to the end of today's video. What's your opinion about the low-value women? Have we missed something important about them? Share it with us in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, give it thumbs up and share it with your friends. That means a lot to us, and this way you are helping the channel to grow. If you want to see more videos like this, hit the subscribe button and remember to click the notification bell. You can check our other videos as well. Thanks for watching.